McLaren crash. Driver jailed after high-speed collision with house. A reckless driver in the UK has been sentenced to 28 months in prison after crashing a McLaren 570 GT into a residential home while traveling at nearly 3 times the speed limit. The incident, which occurred in December 2023 along Hayhouses Lane in Lytham St. Anne's, Lancashire, miraculously resulted in no fatalities despite the severity of the damage. The crash and its aftermath. The driver, 28-year-old Zachary Hawking, was recorded speeding at 91 mph in a 30 mph zone when he lost control of the vehicle. The McLaren slammed into a house, immediately catching fire and causing significant structural damage to the front of the property. The impact was so violent that Hawking's passenger was ejected from the car, traveling approximately 82 feet before coming to a stop. Despite the catastrophic nature of the crash, both occupants survived with serious injuries, and no one inside the house was harmed. Legal consequences. Inspector Greg Laidlow of Lancashire Police described Hawking's actions as extremely reckless and selfish. The case underwent a thorough forensic collision analysis, leading to Hawking's conviction and imprisonment. In addition to the 28-month sentence, he has been banned from driving for 74 months, over 6 years. Any future license applications will require more extensive testing. A stark contrast in justice, this case stands in stark contrast to similar incidents elsewhere. For example, a New York case involving a Gembala Mirage GT owner, Benjamin Chen, was dropped due to insufficient evidence, despite video footage of the crash being available. The UK's swift and decisive action highlights a difference in legal approaches to high-speed collisions, where accountability appears more immediate and severe. The McLaren crash serves as a stark reminder that reckless driving has real-world consequences, and while luck may prevent fatalities, legal repercussions are unavoidable. The driver is off the road for at least 2 years, if not 6, provided he adheres to the law from now on.